What's up guys, I'm Wes with Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and these are 5 items that could save your bacon on your next trail ride. All right guys, thanks for tuning in. Like you, we absolutely love trail riding, and there are a few things that can happen when you're out on your trail ride that can really ruin your day in a hurry. So on top of carrying those common items like safety wire, duct tape, zip ties, and some spare tools, there are 5 items that have really made a difference for us and saved the day on more than one occasion. So those are 5 things that we want to share with you so that hopefully you can stay out on your ride and continue having a good time. Okay, so the first item on our list is some sort of 2-part epoxy. Now this stuff, it is amazing. It can fix engine cases, clutch covers, levers, perches. It breaks, this thing can probably fix it. So we actually don't leave the house without this. It's great for a lot of different type of riding like ATVs, dirt bikes, UTVs, the side-by-sides. It really is cheap, inexpensive stuff that is worth its weight in gold when you're out on the trail. All right guys, so second item on our list is Tusk self-fusing silicone tape. This stuff is pretty dang awesome. Basically what you can't fix with 2-part epoxy, you can probably fix with this. So it's just some tape that fuses to itself and it creates a seal. It's waterproof, chemical resistant, and heat resistant up to 500 degrees. So basically damaged radiator hoses, oil lines, anything like that, this stuff is great, inexpensive for those on-the-fly repairs. Third item on our list is what I'm actually wearing. I've got the ARC Packable Jacket on right now, and this thing really is a game changer. We're down in southern Utah right now, and it's probably 40 degrees outside with the wind chill, and this thing is saving my bacon right now. So it's pretty awesome. It allows you to survive the wet and cold riding conditions, but when you don't need it, it packs up super tight and compact. So it's got a little pouch that it packs into with a waist belt, so you can carry it around your waist, or you can just throw it into your hydration pack. Really, one thing that I would not dare forget on my next trail ride. All right guys, so 4th item on my list is some sort of communication device, a GPS communication device. Now you can see I've got the Garmin InReach Mini. They also make a regular version, and then Spot makes a few of them too. But basically this is just a safety precaution that they've got an SOS feature that you can send out for help when you need it. So if somebody gets hurt on your ride, if you guys get stranded, it really doesn't matter how remote your ride gets, you can send out for help. They'll send support team or rescue team, whether that's by helicopter or some other way, and help get you out of that situation. Now, unfortunately, we have had to use these a few times on our rides to help a downed rider get out of the situation. Now, for the price point that you pay up front for these, it really is an item that at least one person should be carrying in your group, and it definitely makes you feel more secure no matter how remote your ride gets. All right guys, so the 5th and final item on my list is a compact headlamp. Now, we get caught in the dark quite often, and I'll admit, a lot of times it's by choice because we love night riding. Now, if you guys haven't tried night riding, I highly recommend it. It's an absolute blast. But carrying something like a compact headlamp can get you out of sticky situations if you do get caught in the dark. Now, if you are going to try night riding, it's probably worth upgrading your headlight to something that's a little brighter, or carrying something like a Tusk LED helmet light. That way, when you do ride at night, you can really see the trail and ride more aggressively. Now, once you have all these items gathered up, you're going to need a way to carry them. So we like to carry a tool pack, a waist tool pack with our hydration pack, and that does a couple things. It helps keep that weight low with your tools and other items that you're carrying, and it leaves more room in your hydration pack to carry your snacks and your water. Now, don't forget that you can get all these items on our website so you can be prepared on your next trail ride. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos like this. See you next time.